Hi, good morning to one and all. My name is A. Sai Padhu. I am studying in 9th class in Nalanda Olympic Art School. I am here to present a presentation on environment. In this presentation, we will discuss about what is environment, what is the role of environment, and what are the factors of polluting environment, and also what are the human responsibilities to protect the environment. Let's know what is the environment. The environment means the surroundings in which life exists. Environment includes fresh air which we breathe, pure water which we drink, and the land which supports the life. In a few decades, the environment damaged due to the human activities, and it led to pollution and other climate changes, temperatures, etc. The word environment comes from the French word the environner, which means the to surround. The role of environment in our life. Environment plays a vital role in our life, which gives us life, existence in land, and help us to live alive in the earth. Supports the life. Environment supports the life. The environment supports the life supports the life with the help of many components like water, air, earth, and etc. and climate changes. And environment also includes the climate changes in which all for example, forest, ocean ecosystems are with the climate changes. Forest and oceans or ecosystems are in climate changes. And next one is economic impact. Environment includes also economic impact, which help us in many industries depending upon the environment. For example, agriculture, fishery, forestry, tourism, mining, and etc. will depend upon the environment. And also many things that we have to know about environment, that environment is polluting nowadays due to the human activities. The industrial activities, for example, the releasing of CO2 and SO2 into the air. These both CO2 and SO2, sulfur dioxide and the carbon dioxide are the main pollutants and major components of polluting factors of environment. And also the water. Water is polluting nowadays due to the releasing of disposal waste and also chemicals into the water from the factories. So that it is concluded that environment is also polluting with the help of vehicles releasing the carbon monoxide. Vehicle releasing of carbon monoxide, it is also a dangerous and harmful major component of polluting factor to the environment. And the next one of burning of waste and plastic. Nowadays, plastic using is more and much, and the people are using only the plastic, and it is so harmful, and it is made up of petrochemicals. When it bursts, it releases harmful chemicals like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and other pollutants. It is dangerous and harmful to the environment. And also, burning of disposal waste in a dumping pad is also a crime which made pollute environment. Plastic is the major enemy for the environment, which causes degradation of environment, and it also pollutes the soil, water, and air. It is so important and major polluting factor of environment. So let's know how the environment affects on us by polluting this. By making industrial activities such as releasing of water, releasing of chemicals waste into the water and air and also soil, can make the sun This is the ozone layer, which is present in the stratosphere of the Earth, and this relationship with the Earth and ozone is very important because the Earth can only exist the human life with the help of ozone layers. Sun releases UV ultraviolet rays, which affects on human life. Which causes skin cancer and many diseases. But the ozone layer O3 stops that ultraviolet rays and gives us the fresh sunlight, which help us in to enjoy our life and to live a life. But also, this is the global warming. If the CO2 attacks this O3, this ozone will become with holes and it will die. If the ozone layer will die, if the ultraviolet rays and radiation attacks the human, and then human will die due to the skin cancer and many diseases. Skin cancer and many diseases. And the another effect of polluting environment is greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect means the gases of greenhouse, for example CO2, NO2, etc. are the gases of greenhouse which trap the heat from the earth, which capture the heat from the earth and keep the earth warm. If increasing of greenhouse effect due to the pollution, and earth is suffering from the global warming, which makes the mountains, snow mountains to melt and make a river, and also rivers and water bodies to evaporate into the air. It is so sad to say that our environment is polluting and making a global warming and greenhouse effect. The earth only can make a sufficient life for a human. Earth is also a component of environment in which we live, that only can exist the life. We can, for example, renewable resources. Renewable resources, the resources which makes us to live with the help of electricity, farming, agriculture, and etc. In renewable resources, electricity is absorbed by many energies like thermal energy, wind energy, and many energies, geological energy, and many energies took the electricity. And also many things depend upon the environment. It is so important because it is concluded that we have to not pollute the environment and save the biodiversity and ecosystem. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity means the thing which biodiversity means the animal ecological system of animals which depend upon one another, and also includes the food chain and habitats. Environment contains food chain and biodiversity and also ecosystems like forest, ocean. Thank you.